Hello, everyone. Welcome to Educational Hub. Have you ever started watching a 1-hour YouTube lecture, fully motivated to learn, but halfway through realized you barely remember what was explained in the beginning? You're definitely not the only one. Long educational videos contain valuable information, but taking notes while watching can be exhausting, and revising later becomes even harder. What if you could transform any YouTube lecture into organized, handwritten-style notes in just a few minutes? In today's video, I'll show you a simple and completely free AI workflow that converts lengthy YouTube lectures into easy-to-read handwritten notes for faster learning and revision. Let's jump right into it. Step 1. Copy the YouTube lecture link. First, find the lecture you want to study. For this example, I'm using a detailed 16 minutes lecture on research thesis using AI tools. It's packed with useful information, but watching the entire video repeatedly isn't always practical. Simply copy the URL of the lecture from YouTube, because we'll use it to extract the complete content of the video. Step 2. Extract the lecture transcript. Now open a YouTube transcript extraction website. There are many free tools available online that can generate transcripts from YouTube videos. Paste your lecture URL into the input box and click the button to generate the transcript. Within a few moments, the tool will produce the complete text version of the lecture. Once the transcript appears, copy all of it, because we'll use AI to convert it into structured study notes. Step 3. Create detailed study notes with AI. Next, open Claude AI. You can also use ChatGPT or another advanced AI assistant, but I'll use Claude for this demonstration. Paste the entire transcript into the chat window. Then, use a prompt that instructs the AI to organize the content into topics, create headings and subheadings, highlight key concepts, summarize important explanations, generate structured study notes. Step 4. Convert notes into handwritten style. Now open Google Gemini. For the best results, select the latest Flash model available. Before entering the prompt, make sure to choose the Canvas option. This step is important because Canvas helps Gemini generate visually formatted notes. Paste the structured notes you copied from Claude. Then enter the handwritten notes prompt. This prompt instructs Gemini to transform the content into attractive handwritten style study notes that look like they were prepared manually. Press enter and let Gemini do the work. Step 5. Generate and review your notes. After a short wait, Gemini will generate beautifully formatted handwritten notes. The output is usually well-structured, visually appealing, and easy to revise. You can preview the notes, regenerate sections if needed, share them with classmates or colleagues, save them for future study sessions. The notes are much easier to review than a long lecture video playing. Step 6. Download the notes. Once you're satisfied with the results, download the generated file as an HTML document. Open the downloaded file, and you'll see multiple pages of neatly organized handwritten style notes. A lecture that originally took an hour to watch can now be reviewed in just a few minutes. And that's it. Using a transcript tool, Claude AI, and Google Gemini, you can convert lengthy YouTube lectures into detailed handwritten notes completely free. This method is perfect for students, researchers, exam preparation, online courses, self-learning. Instead of re-watching long videos again and again, let AI create concise handwritten notes that help you learn faster and remember more. Give this method a try and let me know how it works for you in the comments below. If you enjoy AI tools, productivity hacks, and educational tutorials, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.